guys, and thanks for joining me for another taste test video. So today I am sampling the Avo Improvisation Limited Edition 2019 Toro size cigar. So these are a new release from the exciting Avo brand, who are in collaboration with Davidoff, so they share master blenders like Henke Kelner, who's famous in the industry. Obviously Avo cigars are exclusive to Cigars and Termos Tobacconists, so we have them just for you guys. Now these are a really good one, at a bargain price, if I must say as well. I thought we'd listed them wrong, to be honest. But what you get from these cigars is some very good quality. Look at that, very well made, beautiful oily wrapper, and the draw lines are stunning actually. Just gonna knock the ash off because I have history of getting it all over myself. But the cigars, so what are they like? So the draw is a little bit looser than I prefer, but it's not too empty, don't worry. I do prefer a little bit more pull on it, but it may just be this one. It's still a good draw and still great burn, as I said, razor sharp. The flavours you get off it are very interesting indeed. So they use 7 different tobaccos from 3 unique countries, that's the Dominican Republic, Peru and Ecuador. So it's an Ecuadorian wrapper, Dominican binder and Dominican and Peruvian filler. So you get quite a complex flavour to it. Now the taste, I would say, is very likened to a hot chocolate, a nice sort of unsweetened or not too sweet hot chocolate with whipped cream on the top. So it's very creamy, very chocolatey, sort of raw cacao notes to it as well. Nice and complex, and you do get a nice warming sprinkle of black pepper on it at the end. So there's a lot of different flavours. It's very well made, very well constructed, and just an all-round great cigar. You really are not going to believe the price when you see it. It's phenomenal. The other bonus feature you get with them is the box is stunning. Now head down to one of our Termos stores, because that's the only place you're going to see one in the country. You see them, this lovely thick solid wood. They've got removable trays which mimic the cigar molds that the cigars are made in. Beautiful, beautiful things. Get down there now and have a look at one. But yeah, they're my thoughts. As I said, very sort of cocoa, leather, a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of spice, and just all-around good cigar. Not going to blow your head off either. But yeah, head to Cigars.com for the best price and the best service in the business. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section if there's anything you'd like to see me sample next. Cheers.